All right, gang, let's get straight into it. Today, I will be talking about a stock that is trading just below $2 as of the time I'm recording this. This stock is a prime candidate to take off over the next couple months. It has seen a little bit of a pullback, but due to solid fundamentals and in the biotech industry, which has seen massive growth over the last year, this thing's about to blast off. I'll see y'all on the moon. The company I will be talking about today is T2 Biosystems, stock symbol TTOO. I currently am holding 500 shares of it. But before we get into it, please smash the like button. Also subscribe. Your support means a lot. And drop a comment below on what your favorite stock is to buy today. My goal with this channel is to develop a community of traders, from inexperienced to experienced traders, to share ideas and to share data and research to pick the best stocks to beat Wall Street. I am not a financial expert, so please do your own research and due diligence. Let's make some money. If you're looking for a good trading platform, I do recommend Webull. I will drop my referral link down below so you can grab 2 free stocks on Webull. On to T2 Biosystems. I'm going to let you know why I like it right now, but why I also like it long term. And just a heads up, all of my picks, they may be short-term plays occasionally, but most of them, I like the stocks because of the long-term outlook of the company itself. T2 Biosystems engages in the development of proprietary technology. It offers T2 magnetic resonance technology, which enables rapid detection of pathogens, biomarkers, and other abnormalities. Their primary focus as a company has been around treating and diagnosing sepsis early on and detecting it. But with COVID spike over the last year, this will be huge as we discover new variants. Just like in Brazil, they discovered a new variant of COVID-19 that was really affecting their population, and they were struggling to detect it. But thankfully, T2 Biosystems is capable of detecting the Brazil variant, which enables physicians and doctors to treat patients quicker and with appropriate care, which is vital for the well-being of their patients. They received emergency use authorization by the FDA back in late August, but since then, they have been able to decrease their detection time by about half, which is huge in treating patients. As far as the stock is concerned, I think it's always important to look at their financial strength and look at their balance sheet. And one thing I always like to look at is their debt to asset ratio. And right now it is 79 million in assets and 70 million in liabilities, which proves that they have a pretty solid debt to asset ratio, which I always like to see. They did just have an earnings report come out on the 4th of March. The one thing we've seen since then is a huge decline in the stock price. Over that time, it went from an all-time high of about $379, and it's down over 40% since then. I do really like the value there. Their earnings wasn't terrific, as you can see, but it wasn't bad. It didn't justify the 40% or over 40% decrease in the overall stock price. And that's why I think it's a huge prime candidate to grow over the next year to 2 years. And this could be one that you really hold on for the long term. Another factor I really like to consider whenever I'm choosing what stocks to invest in is looking at what the analysts are saying. And currently, there's a lot of upside, according to the analysts, on this stock. And there's really limited downside risk, which I also love to see in a cheap penny stock, which that's very important. Right now, 4 analysts are projecting it as a buy and 1 as a hold. You do have to use the analysts' picks as more of a validation than a guide to what stocks we're picking, because they have different objectives in what they're going after as opposed to us as retail investors. I think it's important to really take that into consideration whenever you're using their picks as your own. Lastly, I want to look at institutional investors, and you can see it right in front of you. You have Vanguard, Goldman Sachs, and BlackRock all invested into T2 Biosystems, which that's really comforting because those are 3 of the biggest firms there are. And Vanguard even increased their shares by about 20%, which is really comforting if you're an owner of this. Thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate the support. Please drop a like, comment below what your favorite stock is. Also, please subscribe, smash the notification bell. Really appreciate the support. Share it with your family and friends. Bottom line with this channel, I just want us all to make money and to be profitable and make wise decisions while investing in the stock market. Later.